Did you know Lashify are the leaders and inventors of DIY lash extensions and under lash technology, so placing them underneath your lash line rather than on top? They also have 600 plus patents currently on their lashes. So I knew this company was legit. I had to check it out myself, and I have made a full-length how to apply lashes tutorial on my YouTube channel. The important thing about these lashes are they are 100% silk. They are so simple to place and they will stay on for days. There's even a waterproof solution if you needed it. And they're lightweight. I feel like they are even lighter than mascara. Look how simple and natural, but how easy I leveled up my look with these beautiful lashes. There are so many different styles and lengths and curls. I love them. I hope you're in love too. And I hope to see you over at my YouTube channel.